The esf-1 ultrasonic label sensor detects labels quickly and reliably. It has just a single button, supplemented by 3 LED displays. Smaller than most ultrasonic label sensors, its compact dimensions mean the sensor can be fit close to the dispensing edge. Rapid scanning, the transmitter and receiver are positioned in the fork with a 10-degree tilt. The esf-1 measures every 300 microseconds. Other manufacturers cover the ultrasonic transducer with panels. Our sensor needs no panels. This means the ultrasonic transducer is directly visible. This has advantages. Paper jams can be quickly detected and removed easily. And it means the support material won't get caught on a panel. So the esf-1 is completely contact-free. When the esf-1 is acting as a label sensor, QuickTeach can easily be used to teach it each label material. You can also configure it as a splice sensor, also with QuickTeach. Perform the esf-1 teach-in via pin 5. Here you can see the sensor's pin assignment. The LinkControl adapter can be used to set the esf-1 as a label or splice sensor. And the sensor can be configured using IO-Link version 1.1. In normal operation, the ultrasonic label sensor esf-1 reliably detects a variety of label types. Using the recipe management IO-Link feature, you can teach in label materials, save the relevant parameters, and call them up at any time. Additional benefit, if the esf-1 is used to count labels when rewinding, the second switching output can signal when a label is missing.